Sige. Tawa yan. Hindi wala nang tawa.
Seryoso eh.
Dali na, seryoso.
Isa mo sayang oras mo, sayang oras mo. Okay.
Take two.
Take two.
Ito, wala ka red horse.
Kaumero.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, namili po.
Namili.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
For President Mark Marayo, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you all.
Good
morning!
Mr. President, anong balak mo sa Pilipinas? Anong balak mo sa Pilipinas?
Anong balak sa Pilipinas?
I want the Philippines to be prosperous.
Prosperous? Tanong pa kayo.
Prosperous daw.
Kaya may Shone, from the media. ABS-CBN. Any questions? Sir, what will you do about the current situation of the philosophy of the Philippines?
Yeah.
Come on.
We should philosophize.
That's good. How about the current GTE problem?
That's their problem.
Gago ka, patay yung Pilipinas sa
What about the China Bitay massacre? What do you think about that?
Video Minchan.
What do you think about that?
Video Minchan.
What do you think about that, Mr. President?
I don't know.
No, what will you do about it? What will you do about it to progress?
Kailangan magsip-sip sa China.
Like what? Like what?
Offer China.
Incentives. Like what, sir? Like
Oh,
what?
puta, Polsay ka pa naman, ganyan ka magsalita. Tangina.
Oh, like what, sir? Like what, sir, Mr. President? What are orals? Oh, like what, Mr. President?
Visa.
Visa.
Oh, how about your love life?
How about your love life, Mr. President?
Love life.
How about your love life?
Love life.
Mr. President, how about your love life?
It's complicated. It's private.
Who's the lucky girl? Who's the lucky girl? Is she also big?
Kaya nga it's private eh.
Is she also pads? Ay, Sorry. Fuck you. Sorry.
Oh, you end the song.
Nagmumura yung president.
Ending speech.
Ending
For the song.
statement.
Ending statement.
Ending statement.
Sabi ni Roque Periols.
Do not do so with the Philippines. Ika nga ni Padre Periols.
Periols?
Sige.
Alam mo ba?
Teka.
Kaya mo yan.
Lundagin mo.